Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Welcome to day 4 at the PSBB YouTube channel Vidya Shakti. It's a befitting moment that the channel has taken off by celebrating the inspirational life of the artistic fountain of PSBB, Dr. Mrs. YGP. Walking her journey and carrying forward the magic wand holds the key to our courage and strength, filling us with immense gratitude.
Vidya Shakti. Medha Shakti. Kalashaya Shakti.
Men may come and men may go, but PSBB will go on forever.
Today, we begin with Lady of Many Firsts. Do what no one else can do, and you will become what no one else can become. These words succinctly capture the quintessence of the success story of the First Lady of PSBB. Being the best is great, but being unique is greater. Dr. Mrs. YGP was undoubtedly uniquely great.
We know her as the founder of the PSBB Group of Schools, as the recipient of many awards, as the ultimate teacher, as a persevering social worker, as an art provider, as a pillar of education, a visionary, a revolutionary. We know her as a legend. She became the first lady principal for an all-boys matriculation school. She was the first recipient of the Tamil Nadu government's Avvaiyar Award. Recognizing the invaluable merit of a teacher, she started the PSBB Teacher Center. She was the first to establish labs for English and math. She was the first to advocate thinking outside the box by introducing lateral thinking. The British may have forgotten Shakespeare, but PSBB continues to appreciate the Bard of Avon. She is our favorite because she understood the burdens and challenges faced by a student and abolished exams with Class 8. She hosted the Society for the Promotion of Indian Classical Music and Culture amongst youth to enhance the appreciation of our cultural art forms. She created the Cultural Quadrant, now known as Reverberations, an inter-school cultural festival to develop organizational skills among Class 12 students. She was the first to embark on the journey of bringing about a theatric anniversary program and educational projects with a multidisciplinary approach. She instituted RSIC, Research Science Initiative Chennai, a summer camp for city school students. Perceiving the significance of sports and its benefits to the mind and body, she inaugurated Sprint, an inter-school athletic meet for school children.
Padma Seshadri Balabhavan, the Garden of Eden to every PSBBN. The modern Gurukul has been, is, and will always be one of its kind in imparting holistic education. The passion, dedication, and benevolence of a visionary has transformed every moment into a memorable milestone. Thank you for infusing traditional values, education, and progressive ideas, inspiring us to exhibit our innate talent. YGP ma'am, life at PSBB, we owe it to you. During these trying times, when everyone wants to go back to normal, we would understand why, especially to get back to school. This video for sure will help you reminisce the golden moments.
Cheers to the times that we've had, running and jumping to school, we were glad, and now we're stuck in our houses, quarantined like lab rats. Zoom classes don't replace being together face to face. This is YGP Ma'am's legacy, the wonderful treasure Dean left behind. There's a time that I remember when I got up to go to school, catch the auto in the morning, and followed all the rules. Assembly before first hour, meditation show was cool. 5 minutes of peace for breathing, energizing fuels, yeah. Things were better then, those were better days, eh, eh. But until things go back, I guess we just gotta say, eh. Exams are so full of joy, learning's enjoyed by everyone, and you rush outside to the canteen, samosa parties to celebrate. GAs are now online, a platform for showcasing talents divine, and now we're stuck in our houses, and all the things I'd give just to go back. Sa pa ga di di sa, di ga ma ga di 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 sa, di ga ma ga di 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 sa, and all the things we give just to go back. Even still on our fine skills, oh cultures were great. We would plan reverberations with all of our classmates. MUN's trainers for the world, diplomacy and news. Elections rolled around, and we get the chance to vote, yeah. D3 helps analyze problems for big and small. Quadrennial project, creativity at its best. Cheers to the times that we've had, running and jumping to school, we were glad, now we're stuck in our houses, quarantined like lab rats. Abhinaya highlights culture, helping to shape our future. Now we miss our school's productions, and all the things we give just to go back. Sprint sports, dates and games, teamwork helps achieve our aims. This is YGP Ma'am's legacy, the wonderful treasure Dean left behind. YGP Ma'am, we miss you. We owe our school days and joy to you. The song is a tribute to you. All the things we give just to see you again. Yeah. And all the things we give just to see you again.
Doha is a genre of poetry which usually highlights valor, moral values, nature, sayings, and proverbs. Next up is Vidya Vahini Ki Gata, a Hindi ode written by the students of Standard 7 to our dear YGP ma'am.
Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Thoughts of our beloved YGP ma'am are never far from our minds. To our students, She was like a mother whose words shined above us as the rays of knowledge. Her quest for new and enriching ideas and practices led to the introduction of Konnakol, an ancient art of vocal performance of percussion syllables to the PSBB schools. Here we showcase Vidya Vahini Ki Gatha, a trio recital of Doha, which includes the blend of Konnakol and the traditional rendering as a tribute to the Iron Lady.
दया करुणा श्रद्धा की मूर्ति कहे सब कोय, दिव्य ऊर्जा मिट भंडार दर्शन मात्र से होए। ताम किट तक जनु तारी किट ताम, दीम किट तक जनु तारी किट ताम, तोम किट तक जनु तारी किट ताम, तक दिमि ताम तक जनु ताम तारी किट ताम। शिक्षा की देवी है ममता की भंडार, लगनशील मृदुभाषी ज्ञानी है साक्षात भगवान। तत्तैर्दाम 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 तैर्दाम तत्तैर्दाम तैर्दाम तत्तैर्दाम तैर्दाम। The meaning of this doha is that YGP ma'am has touched many lives with her kindness, vitality and motherly affection.
श्रीमती YGP मैम का निवेदन या आज्ञा हमारे लिए है सर्वोपरि, उसे पूर्ण करना हमारा कर्तव्य, जीवन का ध्येय ही। सर्व शिक्षा सर्व विकास जिसका जीवन का काम है, सबसे महान सबसे बुद्धिमान YGP उनका नाम है। Every wish and command of hers was of utmost importance to us. Such was the sway of a dedicated mind.
ज्ञान का दीपक जलायो, मन उजियारो होय, उनको नमन हजारों, भूल न पावे कोई। YGP मैम भूल न पावे कोई। प्राचीन और आधुनिक संस्कृति का मिलन करवायो, क्षमा दया करुणा से हर उलझन सुलझायो। YGP मैम हर उलझन सुलझायो।
She showed the way to adapt our ancient traditions to the modern day. We salute the heart that lit the lamp of knowledge in many. YGP ma'am was a visionary in the fields of education and social service, a firm believer of Indian values and ethics. She instilled the devout spirit of culture and heritage amongst the PSBB family members. She still remains an inspiration to many, irrespective of their age.
When devotion, passion, and creativity synergize, the result is incredibly divine. Here we have Mr. Sarvesh, a gifted percussionist who has created a raga called Rashmi after the pen name that she fondly used during her stint as a journalist, composed lyrics in Sanskrit, played the instruments himself, digitizing it as well. Extraordinary feat of brilliance for our Kala Rupini, Dr. Mrs. YGP, a true Sishya of the creative genius.
Namaste, I am Sarvesh Karthik. I am extremely honored and blessed to be paying my tributes to Dr. Mrs. YGP on her first anniversary. I'll be paying a musical tribute to her. I have tried to coin a new scale, a new raga, and I have named it Rashmi in praise of Dr. Mrs. YGP. I have also written a verse in praise of Srimati Rajalakshmi Parthasarathi in Sanskrit, and I offer it as my tribute to her. I am sure she will bless us all from heaven. Namaste.
राजलक्ष्मी नमोस्तुते।
राजलक्ष्मी नमोस्तुते राजलक्ष्मी नमोस्तुते राजलक्ष्मी नमोस्तुते राजलक्ष्मी नमोस्तुते विद्यारभते शुभसहिते बुद्धिप्राप्ति सुखसन्मार्गे विद्यारभते शुभसहिते बुद्धिप्राप्ति सुखसन्मार्गे रश्मि पवित्र भवन सुकृते महाराज्ञे सुपार्थके रश्मि पवित्र भवन सुकृते महाराज्ञे सुपार्थके विद्यारभते शुभसहिते बुद्धिप्राप्ति सुखसन्मार्गे रश्मि पवित्र भवन सुकृते महाराज्ञे सुपार्थके महाराज्ञे सुपार्थके महाराज्ञे सुपार्थके
Mom, we can visualize your benign, mesmerizing smile showering your blessings on us. Is it not amazing that the students of PSBB treasure their interactions with Mrs. YGP for the singular impression that she had on them? We now have Shri S. Ram of the 1972 batch, Ms. Madhuvanti of the 1994 batch, and Shri Shrikant Gopal of the 1984 batch to talk about their Eureka moments with Dr. Mrs. YGP.
Vanakkam. My name is S. Ram. I graduated from PSBB in 1972. That's 48 years ago. She was a true visionary. She believed that education is the cornerstone of everything we do in life. I'm grateful to her for the wonderful education she gave me and my two brothers. All of us graduated from PSBB. She created in me a love for teaching, which became my profession. I taught for the last 30-some years in the United States. And so I'm also grateful for all the teachers she recruited when I was at PSBB. Some of the names that come to mind: Mr. Samban, Miss Malati, Mrs. Sushila Raghavan, Ms. Meenakshi, several others. I mean, the list goes on and on, but these are people that I clearly remember. So she herself taught in the front line. I mean, I still remember her teaching Macbeth and enacting the scenes as Lady Macbeth. She had a love for teaching, and she did her higher studies while PSBB was being run. Just to give you a perspective, when I graduated in 72, there were only 33 students in the entire class. Today, it's several schools, several locations, and she has created several thousands of PSBBians who are ambassadors all over the world. So all I can say is something I learned: Mata, Pita, Guru, Deva. After my parents, she represents everything in life for me, and what she's given to our family and to several other families. I say thank you, Mrs. YGP. You've made us all proud, and you've given us a great start at life.
Namaste. This is Madhuvanti here. Let me start by saying Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. I'm sure every PSBBN across the globe will connect to this one phrase. I remember when I was traveling in New York after we had watched a Broadway theatre production on Times Square. I remember a distinct shout of this phrase, Shri Gurubhyo Namaha ma'am. And instantaneously, my grandmother, Dr. Mrs. YGP, turned around and said, Sukhi Baba. This happened on Times Square, and one of her old students just fell at her feet. Sashtangaman Cholwalia, he did that and took her blessings. That is the power of PSBB and this great Guru. Of course, I have had an added advantage, an extra edge above all of you because she happened to bring me up at home as well. And I have learned so many wonderful things from her. Firstly, to learn to face problems, not to run away from them. Many people have this habit of escaping and running away from problems, but not her. She would know how to face it, and she always used to say, catch the bull by its horns. She followed it, she believed in it, and that was a success story. She also believed very strongly in prayer. I'm sure all of you PSBBNs would remember her words. More things are wrought by prayer than the world dreams of. And she believed in the positivity of prayer very, very strongly. I think these are some great qualities in Dr. Mrs. YGP. I still remember in this very same auditorium, she was asked to do an impromptu on the spot in one of the general assemblies. And the question was, if God gave you a choice, what would you become if you were not Mrs. YGP? And that came the answer. She said, I would like to become a mosquito because I want to shed all my weight. I remember the entire assembly, including me, sitting there as a student, standing up and clapping for her. That was her wit, presence of mind, amazing thinking skills, analytical skills, strategy. In fact, there have been top management gurus who have said, how does this woman even talk such wonderful business? And how is she able to solve a problem so easily? She always used to find solutions to problems. Not just education, but the arts. Through Bharat Kalachar, the cultural organization that is now run by my father, my mother and myself, she has identified amazing, amazing talents across the globe and given them this very same platform to perform on in primetime slots and paid them for their art form, which is something we still continue until this date. We don't take money from artists, but we pay what we can to respect the art form. Mrs. YGP always had a great knack of identifying the person's aptitude and giving them the work that suits that aptitude, be it in education or entertainment or the arts. So I think these are some great things about her. I've had many, many pleasant moments, many, many wonderful times with this grand old lady. I do miss her, but she's with me and with all of you always. So on that note, let's all be positive and celebrate this wonderful woman's glorious life and glorious work. Namaste, Bharat Mata Ki Jai.
Good evening. This is Srikant Gopal. I am a proud past student of PSBB, having graduated in 1984 from the KK Nagar branch. And these days, I'm the executive director of TOEFL at ETS Princeton in New Jersey. Many of you might know the TOEFL test as a test that students in India and around the world take to go to college in the US and around the world. Now, I had the privilege of being in the very first batch from KK Nagar, and because of that, we were fortunate to get a lot of personal attention from Mrs. YGP. And of course, we all know of her remarkable capacity for intellect and her passion for education. But one thing I distinctly remember is her compassion for people and her belief in the limitless potential of all her students. The one example I can give you is we were getting ready for the anniversary celebrations in 1984, and I had this desire to play the role of compere for the whole show that the KK Nagar branch was putting up. But I was, of course, nervous to ask for permission to be so. And when I asked my teachers, they said that it's only Mrs. YGP who can make the decision and that I should go and speak to her directly. Now, that got me really nervous, but I finally gathered the courage to go and ask her myself. And to my surprise, her reply was immediate. She said, "Why not? You must and you should." And I was very pleasantly shocked, and I was delighted at her encouragement. And that led to a very successful event in 1984 for our anniversary celebration. Now, of course, Mrs. YGP had very high standards and always wanted her students to aim high. But I also remember she used to have a very wicked sense of humor sometimes. I remember one afternoon when she visited the KK Nagar school and we were all brought into assembly. She took the opportunity to tell us all a joke. And it wasn't just any ordinary joke. It was a naughty joke, even a little risque. And I remember her wicked, naughty gleam in her eye. And of course, we were a bunch of 16-year-olds who were absolutely thrilled at what she had to share with us that day. And we talked about it for days afterwards. In closing, I want to express my heartfelt gratitude to Mrs. YGP for everything that she has done for me and thousands of other students over the years. And I also want to take this opportunity to thank all the wonderful teachers at PSBB, past and present, for making such a big difference to all our lives all around the world. Thank you.
That brings us to the end of today's treat. Treading her footsteps, we feel proud to be PSBBians and will strive to be ahead of our times, in sync with our dear founder's mission and values. Signing off is Sharanya Ravindran, Girl SPL of PSBB KK Nagar. Please tune in at 6 p.m. tomorrow.
Vidya Shakti. Medha Shakti. Kala Shaya Shakti.